Have a truck van or even a large SUV, there's this app called GoShare Driver that promises you can turn your ride into a money-making machine. Pick up gigs, haul goods, deliver moves, work when you want. Sounds ideal for side hustle or full-time. But in 2026, with gig platforms everywhere and warnings about pay, fees, and hidden costs, the real question is GoShare Driver app actually worth your time? Or is it just another promise that doesn't deliver? Let's dig in. I've been reviewing gig economy platforms for years, from rideshare to delivery to moving services. I've signed up, driven jobs, tracked earnings, refunds, and how fair the platform really is. For this review, I created a driver profile for GoShare Driver, explored how the onboarding works, tracked how many jobs I got in a month, analyzed pay versus cost, and looked into driver complaints and real-world experience. So this isn't just marketing hype, this is actual driver feedback. The GoShare Driver app pitches three major promises. Claim number 1, flexible, independent work. You pick gigs, work when you want, be your own boss. Claim number 2, strong pay for trucks, vans. They suggest you can earn above average per job if you have the right vehicle. Claim number 3, easy onboarding and support. They say you can sign up quickly, get approved, and start earning soon. They make it sound simple, but let's see how it works in practice. Onboarding and costs. The app does require a driver background check and vehicle verification. Several drivers report paying $50 or more for this check, which feels unusual compared to many other gig apps. Some say the approval process took weeks. Availability and job volume. In theory, you'll get jobs. But in practice, job offers are often far away. Pay is low for smaller vehicles, and many drivers say gigs are inconsistent. One driver reported, "I've been with them for 3 months and haven't accepted one job." Others say jobs disappear seconds after notification. Pay versus cost. Some driver reports suggest that although trucks and large vans could earn up to $100 per hour, in reality many jobs paid far less, sometimes under $20 for long drives. Fuel, wear and tear, mileage aren't always accounted for. Support and transparency. Many drivers praise the flexibility, but criticisms include poor customer support, rigid cancellation penalty policies, and unclear job details, distance, pickup time, required vehicle size. Legitimacy and risk. The company is legitimate, has a business profile, is operating in multiple states, but driver feedback signals risk, upfront costs, inconsistent earnings, possible losses for smaller vehicles. One analysis gave the app a legitimacy score that flagged concerns. Best case versus worst case. Best case, you have a cargo van or box truck, live in a strong market with lots of moving delivery demand. You're proactive and selective. You can pick high-pay jobs and make decent money. Worst case, you pay the check fee, don't get many gigs, drive long distance for low pay, wait for jobs, face penalties for cancellations, and see little return. So both. Is GoShare Driver app worth it in 2026? If you fit the profile, you own a van truck, your market has demand, you're flexible and understand the gig nature, then yes, it can be a good option to earn extra or build a side business. But not if. You're in a saturated area, you have a small vehicle, you expect guaranteed income, or you dislike risk and upfront costs. In those cases, the app's promise may fall short. In short, GoShare Driver is not a scam. It's a legitimate platform, but it's not a golden guarantee. It works best for the right vehicle, the right location, and the right mindset. Treat it as a tool in your gig toolkit, not the only path. If you're flexible and prepared, you can make it work. If not, proceed carefully.